There's so much to discover in Times Square. And the roller coaster looks like mind-blowing. Hey everyone, I am in beautiful sunny KL, and this city is an absolute mecca for shopping. So many shopping malls. I'm today going to show you around KL's biggest shopping mall, which is Times Square in Bukit Bintang, and there's also a whole theme park here and like a roller coaster inside, so it's an amazing place. I'm going to show you around and probably buy some stuff too, because why not? So let's go. As you can see, it's actually really busy here today. It makes sense, it's a Saturday, but the last couple of times I've been here, it was a few months ago and then like a year ago, it was way quieter, and I think that was sort of post-COVID, not as much tourism and not as many people, so it's awesome to see it really picking up and lots of people and energy and things happening here, so love to see it, and I'm ready to go shopping. So it's split into like west, central and east wings. It's absolutely massive. I can totally see how it's the biggest shopping mall in KL. There's so much to look at. I love that in the middle there's all these little stalls with like cute artisan and like just adorable stuff. So I'll show you those. And there's a lady giving out free samples of like little nut clusters. Oh my God. That's so good. It's like, oh, thank you. They're like, hello. People here are so friendly. They're like chocolate coated cornflakes. I love all the independent sellers and stalls. Also, everyone in this city is so nice. Like, everyone's trying to get in my videos and say hello. I absolutely love it. I love it here. I love the energy of KL. There's nothing like it. This place is massive. I don't exactly know where to start. I'm gonna start on the west wing because why not? It looks like a lot of people are going up these escalators. So, there's so many cute clothes shops here, and I'm so surprised by the price. Like, everything like between 15 and 30 ringgit, which is so cheap by Australian standards. It's amazing. There's so much to look at, and I am 100% gonna buy some stuff. Okay, so I just bought this little like cropped shirt for 17 ringgit. And at the other shop before, I bought 2 dresses and it was 60 ringgit all up. When I get home, I'll show you everything I bought and the prices. It was a little bit chaotic in both of the shops to film like the transaction sort of thing. But there's so many cute shops for clothes, and I'm going to Cambodia next to a lot of temples and things. So it's good to be able to buy some shirts with sleeves, dresses with sleeves, and long clothes as well. But there is so much stuff. This is awesome. I've been meaning to buy clothes for so long, but traveling full-time means I don't always find cities or shopping centers with a lot of clothes that I like. So I'm very happy here so far, but I feel like I'm only at the tip of the iceberg. There's so much. It feels like this place is sort of separated into like categories. There's like a lot of fashion over on that side. There's a lot of like beauticians, massage places, hairdressers here as well. And the prices are really cheap. It's like 15 ringgit for like a mani. Incredible. I think I'll be coming back to get my nails done later. And I'm trying to find the section with like the theme park, but there's a bunch of sections here that are kind of connected. It's not the easiest place to navigate. I don't exactly know if I'm on the right way, but let's see what we stumble across on my adventure. I've just come like all the way up to the top in the west area to see the view of like down in the shopping centre. It's massive, but the top few floors are pretty empty. Like you can kind of see a lot of stuff's closed or like not really occupied. It feels like the first like 6 levels are pretty busy, and I think I'm on level 8 at the moment, so there's not like a huge amount up here, but it's still cool. There's like random shops up here, but yeah, there's more than enough on the first 6 levels to keep you entertained. I just thought I'd explore a little further afield. In the central area down the bottom, there's like a thing they call Central Market, and it's even more like small, independent, like clothing stores, shoes stores, so many things. It's so cute. And bonus, I found a sign to the theme park, so it looks like I need to go up another level or 2, and it's kind of like behind the central wing. So that's nice that it's signed, because it's so easy to get lost here. It's massive, but every time I'm getting lost I'm finding like cool stores and cool new things to explore, so definitely no complaints here for me. There's a lot of time you could spend just looking at things here. It's a very cool mall. Also, another bonus of being able to spend lots of time in a shopping centre is it's really hot outside today, and it's beautifully air conditioned in here, so it's very easy to like cool down in here and forget that it's very humid and very hot outside today. So a nice relief. There's a sign directing me down this way for like more food and beverage outlets, and it looks like it's kind of near where the signs to the theme park was, and also there were signs to a cinema. So it feels like there's a whole section sort of behind where the central section is that might be like an entertainment district sort of thing. So I'm heading there and we'll see what we come across. I've just stumbled across this whole section down here, and the signs around about it being tiny Taipei. I do love Taipei. So it's very cool to see all those signs around. It's like claw machines and little shops and like cute animations and things. This is like, there's so much to discover in Times Square. What a cool little hidden place in Times Square. I can hear like screaming and roller coaster kind of noises, so I must be getting close. I think I'm just gonna follow my ears and I should find a theme park. This is amazing. There's like photo booths, claw machines, toy shops, so much stuff like happening around here, and I can see the theme park, and the roller coaster looks like mind-blowing. So there's like a bowling area, there's like a kids go-kart thing, there's a skating club, there's so much. But honestly, like seeing a roller coaster like this in a shopping centre, oh god, it's like a kid on a bike. Seeing a roller coaster like this in a shopping centre is one of the cooler things that I've seen. Like, what an amazing place. centre is a little bit of a maze, but that area where the theme park was so cool. Just wandered back through to like what's kind of more the main area. On the lower ground level, there is a ridiculous amount of food. So amazing. So it's like restaurants, cafes, treats, drink stalls, like so much down here. So the perfect place once you've done all of your shopping for the day and you're hungry and tired to come down and get like literally anything you can imagine. It's a very cool place. Alright, I've bought some stuff today. I have explored around. I've done almost 9,000 steps just wandering around the shopping centre. This place is exciting and huge. I hope that you've enjoyed coming here with me and having a look around what is KL's biggest shopping mall, with a bonus theme park, Malaysia's biggest indoor theme park. So I've had a great time making this video. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as well. If you have, if you could like it below, that would be amazing. And if you could subscribe to my channel, that would mean the world to me as well. It helps me make new content. And let me know below, what more do you want to see? KL is a magical city full of amazing things. So your recommendations always help me to make more content as well. Otherwise, have a fantastic week and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.